We asked AI to generate this stunning art for free. Let's see the response of AI. Welcome back to Reform. Today we will be generating amazing images for completely free.
Search for Playground AI on your Chrome browser. We are now on Playground AI, which generates stunning art from your given text. You can see images generated by people and their prompts. Let's see how to generate these images and feature of this AI. Click on this Create option in top right corner. We will start from our first prompt of a beautiful girl. See the results. You can also select in which type you want your image, like animated type or cartoon type, and more. See the beautiful animated version of our prompt. The prototype version. The prototype anime version. Let's write same prompt for a boy. Let's get one with beard. Let's write prompt for a beautiful Indian girl in black dress. Look how beautiful she is. Let's see some other versions of her. Let's generate a beautiful woman from future. We can edit her and make some changes to look her more beautiful. We got many actions here, from removing background to editing her. We will remove her background, and then we will make some changes to look her more beautiful. Let's try to change her hair color. Let's make some other changes. I think she looks more beautiful before. Then you can download your art by saving the changes you made. You can see your generated images by entering your profile. Look at this beautiful futuristic girl we generated. You can click the community feed to see beautiful images generated by other people, and also you can use them for free. This is an animal section. You see this beautiful art of animals. We are in anime section now. Look at these beautiful art generated. You will find varieties of beautiful fashion in fashion section. The food art section. See some beautiful AI generated landscapes. See the science fiction section. Did you remember the beautiful futuristic girl we created recently is now ranked on science fiction section? Subscribe Reform for more videos like this.